Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a face mask that is very important these days. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for this you are going to start with a slip knot and chain 33. So here I make a slip knot and we are now going to chain 33. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have made 33 chains and now we are going to start our first row, and for that what you have to do is you have to make 5 single crochets starting with the second chain from your hook. So this is my second chain from the hook and I'm going to make single crochet. 1 2 3 4 and now 5. After making 5 single crochets, now you are going to make 8 half double crochets into next 8 chains. So yarn over, draw through all the 3 loops, and this is called our half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, this is the second half double crochet, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, and this is the 8th half double crochet. After making these 8 half double crochets, we are now going to make 6 double crochets. So for double crochets, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 loops. So this is our double crochet. So this is the second double crochet, third, fourth, and the fifth one. After making 5 double crochets, we are now going to make 8 half double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Once you have completed your 8 half double crochets, now we are going to make 5 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 and the last one 5. So in this way our first row is completed. Chain 1 and turn your work and do the same thing what we have done. So 5 single crochets, single crochet in each of the single crochet we did in the last row, 5 single crochets. Now we are going to make 8 half double crochets, then we are going to make 6 double crochets, and then we are going to make 8 half double crochets, and after that again we are going to make 5 single crochets. So you have to make at least 10 rows of this same pattern. So as you can see, after completing 10 rounds, it looks something like this. So see, I can also count it for you. We started from here, and let's count the rows. One from here, yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I have completed 10 rows, and at the end of this row I am not going to fasten off my yarn, but we are going to make the loop for our ears to hold the mask. Okay, so I am going to chain 28. Let me pause and make. So I have made 28 chains, and now I am going to uh, single crochet over here, or you can also make the slip stitch, but I'm over here making a single crochet, and this is the end. I'm now going to fasten off my cut my yarn and fasten off and weave in these ends. Okay, so in this way you are going to do at the other end also. Over here we are also going to make the other loop. Okay, so here you can see the final results after weaving the ends. Our mask is complete and ready to use. I personally used it and it's very comfortable. You can use, I made this in different yarn. You can also make it in cotton yarn, and if you want you can increase these rows according to your need and according to your requirement, but this is more comfortable for, and this is the adult size. If you want to make the smaller size, you have to decrease the chains and do the same pattern. So stay tuned for the next video. I hope you found it useful. Please share with all your friends and family and your loved ones. So happy hooking, stay tuned, much love, and God bless.